Tired of AI-generated audio that sounds fake and robotic? What if you could create realistic voiceovers, dub content into multiple languages, and convert speech to text all from one platform? In this video, I'll show you an all-in-one AI audio tool that does exactly that, and I'll walk you through how to use every feature. If that sounds useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. So this right here is the AI tool dashboard. And right from the very get-go, you can see that there's truly a lot you can handle with this specific AI tool. We have lots and lots of different models to work with on this platform depending on what you need. For example, you can use this for your dubbing workflows to easily translate your content. You can also use this as a video translator as well as an audio translator for your files. You can use the built-in text-to-speech feature to generate high-quality text, and you can as well use it as a subtitle translator, and each and every one of these features works really great. You can click right here on the text-to-speech button, and you will be loaded straight over to this interface. If you look around the screen, you can see that the language selection box is right here. We have English currently selected by default, and you can choose a voice of your choice. They have a wide variety of unique voices to choose from, and they all sound really good and incredibly natural.
Hey, I'm your digital AI.
All you have to do is select a voice of your choice from the list. For this demonstration, I'm going with Maya Morgan, so just select it right here, and then you can type in your script below. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. This can be as long as you want. You can type in a script like this. And all you have to do is click on Generate Voice. And this shouldn't take much time at all, especially judging that it's just a few letters of text. We just confirm this right here, and our audio is currently being generated. We just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our audio for us in the background. When it's done, let's play it and have a listen to see how it sounds.
Make sure to subscribe to Becky the AI Girl for more videos like this.
And that was really good. I actually loved the accent that she has, and you can click right here to download this straight into your device. Don't think of this AI tool as just a simple audio generator though, because it does way more. You can head back to the main menu and test out some other features, like you can use it to translate audio by uploading a file right here, and the audio will be translated into another language, which is just great. If you head back over to the text-to-speech section, you can see that you can as well clone a voice of your choice so that you're not just limited to the random-sounding AI voices that they have on here. You can actually click on Clone Voice right here and clone your own voice. All you have to do is add a voice and upload it from your device. I can upload this audio right here, and you can give it a specific name. I can say Vincent, and for the language, I'm going to leave it at English. Submit this right here. It's currently being submitted to the system. I myself haven't tested this out before, but I'm really sure that it should work really well, judging by the amazing capabilities of this particular AI tool. Okay, in no time at all, our voice has been added, and you can see right here it says Vincent and says it was created today. You can select this custom voice when generating audio, and I can type in something real quick to test it out. Let's test it out with something like this. I'll just generate the voice and confirm, and our audio is currently being generated. Let's give this a bit of time while it generates for us. Okay, the voice is actually done generating our audio for us. Let's take a listen.
Hey, I am Vincent, and this is how I sound. The voice clone worked perfectly.
And that is just great. That's exactly how the audio I uploaded sounds. It's got this just on point. It doesn't even sound like AI at all. And just like before, you can download it straight into your device. So let's head back and take a look at the dubbing workflow, which you can click right here and create a new project. I think for this feature, you need to upload an audio file. I can just upload this in, but for the project name, I can say test project. I'll submit this right here. And what this does is that it's basically a way for you to change up the language of any audio and change it to another language in real time. So thus, everything will still be exactly the same, but in a completely different language, and you should definitely test this out for yourself. It works really great. There are more tools you can check out on here. Feel free to do your own research. The link will be in my bio. Make sure to check it out.